Welcome to Review Source. Whether you're framing a deck or installing crown molding, accuracy isn't optional. When precision matters, having the right tool makes all the difference. Today, we're covering the best DeWalt miter saws, chosen for their reliability, ease of use, and real-world performance. You'll find all the product links in the description below for the latest prices. Now, let's get started. First up, the DeWalt DWS-780. If you are looking for the absolute peak of performance in the 12-inch sliding miter saw category, this model sets the standard. The DWS-780 is designed for professionals who need a do-it-all saw that doesn't compromise on capacity. At its core is a powerful 15-amp motor, but the real story is the capacity. Thanks to the sliding rail design and innovative back fence, this saw can cut up to 2x16 dimensional lumber at 90 degrees. For trim carpenters, it supports nested crown molding up to 7.5 inches vertically. That covers almost any residential framing or trim scenario. The standout feature is the XPS cross-cut positioning system. Unlike traditional lasers that can drift, the XPS system uses an LED light to cast a shadow of the actual blade onto the wood. It is physically impossible for the guide to be misaligned. Where the shadow falls is exactly where the blade will cut. Users consistently report that the XPS system is a game changer for speed.
Next, we have the DeWalt DWS-779. For those who want the industrial capacity of the DWS-780 but are working with a tighter budget, the DWS-779 is the best value proposition in the lineup. Mechanically, the DWS-779 is nearly identical to the flagship 780. It shares the same 15-amp motor and the exact same industry-leading cutting capacities, including that massive 2x16 crosscut capability. You also get the same double bevel functionality, allowing you to tilt the saw left and right to 49 degrees so you don't have to flip heavy lumber. The primary difference is the cut line guide. The DWS-779 does not come with the XPS LED shadow light. It relies on traditional sighting methods. However, the significant price difference makes this trade-off worth it for many woodworkers. User feedback is overwhelmingly positive regarding its bang for the buck. Many DIYers note that this saw delivers 99% of the performance of the flagship model. You still get the smooth slide and rigid fence essential for quality work. If you can live without the integrated shadow light, the DWS-779 is the smartest financial choice.
Moving on to the DeWalt DWS-716 XPS. Sometimes a sliding rail system isn't the right tool. If you are a finish carpenter working in tight spaces, or if you demand the highest level of rigidity, the DWS-716 XPS is the superior option. This is a 12-inch double bevel saw, but it is a non-sliding model. By removing the rails, DeWalt eliminates the front-to-back space requirement, meaning this saw can sit much closer to a wall. Furthermore, fixed-head saws generally suffer from less blade deflection than sliders, making them a favorite for fine furniture makers. Despite lacking rails, it still handles nested crown molding up to 6¼ inches. It also features the highly praised XPS shadow line system found on the 780, ensuring your cuts are accurate on the first try. Customer reviews highlight the repeatable accuracy of this machine. Because there is no sliding mechanism to introduce play, users find it holds its squareness incredibly well over years of use. It is also lighter than the sliding models, at around 49 pounds. If your primary work involves baseboards and crown molding, the DWS-716 XPS offers precision the sliders struggle to match.
Fourth on our list is the DeWalt DWF-715. This saw represents the ideal entry point for the 12-inch platform. The DWS-715 is a single-bevel compound miter saw, designed for contractors and serious DIYers who need large cutting capacity without the complex double-bevel features of expensive models. Being single-bevel means the saw head only tilts to the left. To make a matching bevel on the opposite side, you simply flip your workpiece. For framing and deck belting, this is standard practice and rarely slows down the workflow. This model features a tall sliding fence that supports 5.5-inch base molding vertically, and it can cross-cut a 2x8 at 90 degrees. One of the most praised aspects is portability. Weighing just under 43 pounds, it is significantly easier to move than the sliding models. Users often describe this as the workhorse of the family. It has fewer moving parts to break and simply works every time. For deck builders who need reliable 12-inch power without the bells and whistles, this is a solid contender.
Finally, we have the DeWalt DWS-713. For those who prioritize portability and ultra-fine finish cuts, the DWS-713 is the 10-inch champion. While 12-inch saws offer capacity, 10-inch blades are inherently stiffer and less prone to wobble, often resulting in cleaner, glass-smooth cuts. The DWS-713 takes advantage of this with a faster motor spinning at 5,000 RPM. This high tip speed results in incredibly clean cuts in hardwood and trim, requiring less sanding later. It is a single bevel, non-sliding saw, which keeps the weight down to a very manageable 31 pounds. Despite its compact size, it punches above its weight class. It can still cut 2x6 lumber at 90 degrees and supports 4.5-inch crown molding nested. Real-world feedback from flooring installers suggests this is the ultimate second saw. Users love that it fits easily in a small trunk and sets up in seconds. If you are working with standard trim, flooring, or 2x4s and value a lightweight tool with surgical precision, the DWS-713 is the best portable option. And that wraps up the top 5 best DeWalt miter saws. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.